you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's yours truly, and you already know the name, Asia, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my false lashes. It's super easy, super quick, so just stay tuned if you want to see how I apply my lashes. Slow. That I typically do if I have a new pair of lashes that I'm using is I will take them out. I already have a pair that I'm going to just put on, so it's going to be these ones right here. But typically I would take them out, I would size them to my eye, and then I would just cut off whatever I don't need so that it's not poking like the inner corners of my eyes and like hurting. So that's what I do first. I get a pair of tweezers, so I just use these tweezers right here. And I also use a compact mirror, so this is like the best way and the easiest way to do it. A lot of people are not gonna like this video because of the glue that I use, so I use hair glue. This has been like the easiest thing for me to do. This type of glue dries with heat, so our eyelids are always warm or hot, so it dries fairly quick. I haven't had any problems as far as like my lashes falling out. I don't have many lashes because I used to get individuals and they just fucked up. Yeah, I just use this and it comes off really easy. Typically what I do is I shower when I get home from work, and then by that time just like the steam from the shower being hot, like it loosens my glue, so I'm able to just like pull them off. I haven't had any problems with my lashes coming off with this glue. So I feel like it kind of just depends on the person, but this is what I use. If not, just use regular eyelash glue and it's still the same. It's gonna work the same way. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on my lash and then we're gonna get started. So I'm using some lashes that I got from Amazon. I ran out of lashes out here and I needed some bad. Like, I have to have lashes on every single day. I can't go a day without wearing lashes. I just have too much eyelid space and I don't like the way like my eyes look without lashes or something. Like even short ones, I can't do short, I have to do long. So I just ordered these and they came within like a few days, so I was like, that's good, because I was out. I had to piece together little lashes that I didn't have and just try to make that work. So what I did was I placed the glue on my lash. Now I'm going to take this mirror, I'm going to look down, and I'm just going to place it on my lash line. Hold it for a few seconds. All right, now I'm gonna go into the inner corner and just place it. And then my outer corner and do the same thing. So it does take a few seconds for this to dry. And it's just literally that simple. Like, that's all I did. Now I'm just gonna kind of pinch my natural lashes and these lashes together. And that's it, y'all. That's literally all I do. I'm gonna do the same thing with my left eye, and you don't even need a lot for it to stick. So I place it on my lash line. I'm gonna hold it for a few seconds. And then it doesn't matter which corner you do first. It typically is just whatever I'm comfortable with. So let that one sit. Go into this middle inner corner. And you kind of just have to play with it until it's completely dry. So this one's dry. Now I'm just gonna pinch my lashes and these lashes together. And that's it. It was that easy, that simple, and that quick. I hope that this video helped you guys to apply your lashes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in and subscribing and liking this video. If you have any video suggestion or ideas, just leave them in the comments below and I will take a look at them and I will take them into consideration for when it comes to me filming another video. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.
I remember we used to talk. Now here lately, girl, he don't say much at all.